Generating abandoned cart recovery emails. About. Chat GPT can be a powerful tool to assist in generating abandoned cart recovery emails. With its vast knowledge base, natural language processing capabilities, and ability to generate human-like text, Chat GPT can provide creative and personalized email templates that are tailored to your brand and your customers' needs. What should I write in an abandoned cart recovery email for a customer who left product name in their cart on date at time? I want to offer a percentage discount to encourage them to complete their purchase. Can you help me craft an abandoned cart recovery email that highlights product category and includes a dollar amount discount code that expires in number of days? I also want to include a personalized message for customers who have previously purchased related product category. How can I use an abandoned cart recovery email to promote upcoming sale event, new product launch, and/or limited edition product? I want to provide a percentage discount code for product category. Could you provide me with a follow-up email template for an abandoned cart recovery email that has not been responded to after number of hours, days? I want to remind customers about the products left in their cart and offer a dollar amount discount code to encourage them to complete their purchase. How can I customize an abandoned cart recovery email for a customer who left product name in their cart but also previously purchased related product category on date? I want to include a percentage discount code for product category and highlight related products they may be interested in based on their past purchases. Tips. Keep the tone conversational and friendly to build a connection with the customer. Use personalization to make the email feel tailored to the individual customer. Experiment with different discount offers and follow-up email schedules to find what works best for your brand and customers.
If you liked this video and don't want to miss the next ones, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications.